Hey guys, today for our reading, we need to go to our book, Kate's book, and we need to turn to page 22, and we're going to read the story, The Campsite. Now this story is also in your Kitty Cat workbook on page 14.4. So you can look at it there if you'd rather, or you can look at it here. The story is called The Campsite, and I'm going to read it to you now. Remember, I'm going to read it the first time out loud. I want you to read along silently. Then I want you to play the video again. And that time I want you to read with me. You read out loud while I'm reading out loud. The last time I want you to read it by yourself. And then I want you to do your page in your Kitty Cat workbook. All right, here we go. The Campsite, page 22. Jack came and picked us up in his truck. We drove to a campsite in the Badlands. Nan, I said, what's up with that name, the Badlands? Well, said Nan, legend has it that a long time back, farmers came out here looking for farmland. When they saw all of the rocks and sand and stone, they said, this is Badland. We can't plant crops here, and the name Badlands just sort of stuck. It's bad land for farming, said Jack, but it's good land for camping. When we got to the campsite, we had to unpack sleeping bags, tents, lanterns, matches, and lots of food. We lugged it all to the campsite. Jack chose a spot to set up camp. Max and I helped set up the tents. It took us a long time. For dinner, we had hot dogs. We stuck them on sticks and held them in the fire. My hot dog got all black because I left it in there too long. Max gave me one of his. That was when I said to myself, Max is okay. All right, that's the end of our story. Now you need to go to your Kitty Cat workbook. And you have some comprehension questions on page 10.2. Jack picked Kate and Nan up in his, you get to choose car, cab, or truck. Mark your best answer and write your page number. The Badlands are good for, what did Kate unpack at the campsite? Now on the back, you see this picture of them at the campfire with their hot dogs and some blank lines. And your directions are over here. It says, have students retell the end of the story or copy your favorite sentences from the end of the story. Now, I don't want you to copy your favorite sentences because you're too smart for that. Write for me at least 2 sentences that tell what is happening right here. It can be any part about it that you liked. Write 2 sentences for me. Remember, start them with a capital letter, make spaces between your words, and put some kind of punctuation at the end. All right, do your best. I know you do great.